is your first time here, we are a family travel vlog, and today we're going to Grand Rapids. What is Maya?
Look at Ferris wheel. Where? Look at.
We just ate at Real Food Cafe because we're here in Grand Rapids, and that was the #2 rated restaurant to eat at, and it was supposed to be relatively inexpensive. And when you travel with a family, that's what you're looking for. We're at the Real Food Cafe, and it's supposed to be pretty good, huh, Kylie? It was so much better than I anticipated, especially because the name was...
Daddy, I'm peeling butter.
Good.
Because of pooping me.
Good.
Especially because the name was Real Food Cafe. The exterior didn't look that great either, but it was delicious. Like one of the most delicious chicken sandwiches I've ever had. And the pancakes were amazing. So good!
And huge.
And huge.
Huge.
We all shared the pancakes, but honestly, Sienna did eat most of them. She just kept eating them and eating. Huh, Sienna?
Yeah, they were so delicious. And I really like them, but I got really so full. I got fuller. I ate more than some.
That girl is still angry.
Take a picture. Mama, me. We ate them.
You ate 3 of them?
Yeah.